In a world where practicality and convenience go hand in hand, introducing the Porter Key Multitool 2.0, a compact and versatile solution for your everyday needs. Join us as we delve into the features and functionality of this innovative tool. Designed to fit seamlessly into your keychain, this tool unlocks a world of possibilities. Let's unlock its potential together. With its sleek and lightweight design, the Porter Key Multitool 2.0 ensures you're always prepared without the added bulk. It's a game changer in terms of everyday convenience. In a world where preparedness and convenience are paramount, introducing EDC Ink, the ultimate everyday carry keychain pens. Join us as we explore the compact design and practicality of these versatile writing instruments. Designed for those who crave convenience without sacrificing style, these compact writing tools will revolutionize your everyday carry essentials. With their slim and lightweight construction, the EDC Ink keychain pens effortlessly blend into your daily routine. They're the perfect solution for anyone who needs a reliable writing instrument at their fingertips. Designed to enhance your daily activities, this tool is a game changer in terms of convenience and functionality. With its compact and lightweight aluminum construction, the Clip ALEDC seamlessly integrates into your everyday carry essentials. It's a must-have tool for those who value efficiency and preparedness. The Clip ALEDC is not your ordinary everyday carry tool. It's a versatile companion that excels in a multitude of tasks, making it an invaluable asset in various situations. From opening packages and tightening screws to measuring and prying, the Clip ALEDC offers a range of functionalities that can handle whatever challenges come your way. The material little bit more miniature screwdrivers with a bottle opener that normally would need a split keyring to operate leverage. The new patent-pending little bit more allows a choice not to have a split keyring to operate leverage. Little Bit More is manufactured by EDM wire cutter and CNC machine from GR5 titanium plate that has a length of 34 mm open or shut with the main structure size at 6 mm x 6 mm squared that allows unfolding with a pivoting motion that creates leverage when opening a bottle cap or leverage for the Phillips and flat screwdrivers without the key ring, although a key ring can also be applied to assist opening a bottle cap or an alternative leverage for the screwdrivers. The miniature structure can be placed in a wallet, purse, or a compact survival toolkit. Grade 5 titanium is skin-friendly and light that could be used for jewelry such as earrings or cloths and luggage zipper attachments, a small knife, electrical cord and string guillotine, wire striper, nail clipper, lever, shackle pin wrench, scraper, bottle opener and Phillips and flat screwdrivers.